How to fix Chai app not working, crashes, errors, and loading issues as well. So I'm going to be providing you some general or basic troubleshooting steps for you to be able to rectify this concern. So all I have to do first is just simply open up your Google Play Store or wherever you have downloaded the application. And here just simply locate Chai Chat AI platform and make sure that the update button is not visible. It could be one of the reasons why your Chai application is not working or functioning properly, as it needs to have an update for the latest version. Now, the next thing that you need to do is just simply tap and hold on the Chai icon right here and then locate the eye icon. And then in here, just simply choose on clear data at the lower right portion of your screen. Now you'll have to comply both of these options. That's going to be clear all data and clear cache. Once everything is done, just simply rerun the application. Try to pull up and use the app again if it is already working smoothly. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix the Chai app not working, crashes, errors, and then loading issues.